pistol. So let's see how to make this pistol. Take a paper and we'll wrap it as thin as possible.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe.
Like this. Now we'll take Fevicol and we'll paste it here. Like this. Now with the help of the small stick, we'll make a bigger one. We'll fold it just bigger than our smaller stick so that our smaller stick can freely pass through bigger stick. As you can see, it will freely pass through a bigger stick. Now we'll paste our bigger stick. You can also use plaster for attaching this. As you can see here, we got a bigger stick. First we'll cut these sharp ends like this. And now we'll follow this sheet like this and we'll cut this into 5 parts and which is about 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. Now we also made this some more parts. Now we'll paste them together. First we'll paste these parts together. We are using Fevicol and plaster. Now we have attached these all. Now we'll take another stick of paper and now we'll cut it into 10 centimeters. And I will cut this. Like this. Now we'll take another stick which side and now we'll cut it into 16 centimeters. Now we'll paste these sticks together after some time. First we'll make ends of that stick hard with the help of Fevikwik. We'll apply Fevikwik at the end of the sticks to make them hard. Now we'll let them dry for few minutes. Now the ends became hard. Now we'll paste them together with Fevicol. Now we got a general structure of pistol, and for shooting mechanism we will take a thin stick and we'll cover its end with Fevikwik. Now we'll enter a bigger stick and few rubber bands and we'll fold its end. We are using a bigger stick because that bigger stick will hold our pistol. Now we are making pistol's border. For that we'll roll a paper and we will fold it. And now we'll first cut its sharp ends and we'll fold it. We should fold it for its border. We need a border because that border will stop us. And for border, we will take its length like this. As you can see here, we have pasted its border. Now we'll take a spring from a pen. We'll get spring in only a click pen. We'll take that spring and we'll put that spring in second roll, and that border will stop it. Now we'll roll a piece of paper about thin size. Now we got the paper. Now make its end sharp because it will push our shooter. After that we'll also apply Fevikwik here, and for this now we'll take that spring and we'll attach that spring with one end of a paper. Now we'll take the size of our holder and we'll fold it. As you can see here, we have made a complete pistol. Here for finishing we attached this strip here, and we also cut this here and we pasted it with Fevikwik for making it solid. After attaching Fevikwik, we will get this type of sound. While if normal paper, then it will not come. And we'll attach these rubber bands with our gun. Like this. After that, if you shoot, you can shoot like this. Now pistol is absolutely. Bullets, what we need is a paper, and we should make a thin paper roll and we should cut it into pieces. Then our bullets will become ready. Now we'll test our gun. As you can see here, we have made some other models. Same made this one. This also has a spring here and rubber band. This also shoots, and we made this also. This will also shoot. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Bye.